Good day guys and welcome back to another unboxing and review with Joaolyl. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Razer Huntsman Mini. This video is sponsored by City, where you can find all of your cellular needs, laptops and peripherals. Check out the link in the description below. I'm super excited about unboxing this keyboard, so let's get to it. In the box we have a letter from Razer, the Razer Huntsman Mini manual with Razer stickers. In the manual it states that your shortcut keys, as well as your setting up your Razer Huntsman Mini, etc. You got your 1.5 meter nylon tough cable with USB cap, as well as Type-C cap. You've also got your rubber cable tie for neatness of your cable. And you have your Razer Huntsman Mini. Your 60% keyboard with no top function row or keypad, but as you can see in the white, all keys are still on the keyboard. Aluminum frame, as well as your 9 and 6 degree stand, and a "For Gamers by Gamers" engraved on the back of the keyboard. So now that we're done with unboxing, let's have a look at the Razer Huntsman Mini. So the keyboard's a 60% keyboard, which means that you don't have the top function row as well as your keypad. This is great for saving space on your desktop, as well as having space for those large mouse wipes and mouse pad. The keyboards are equipped with optical mechanical switches, as well as double shot PBT keycaps and a detachable Type-C cable. Optical mechanical switches, meaning the switches are activated by infrared lighting, which gives you that quick effect or quick response when pressing buttons. The double shot keycaps are PBT, plastic grade, which means there's two plastics molded together, which gives you that nice sturdy finish, and also lets your keys last a lot longer, as your letters aren't going to be able to rub off after time or go shiny. Let's talk about the software that you use for your Razer Huntsman Mini. So Razer has the software out called Synapse. Synapse can be used to sync all of your Razer products, as well as customizing your macro keys and lighting. And you can also save your profiles on their cloud. With this keyboard, you don't really lose anything. By pressing the NF key, all the keys that are available will illuminate, and this will be your shortcuts for your F1 to F12, your media, your key buttons, as well as your sleep and your scroll lock, etc. So not really losing anything in this keyboard. This keyboard also has features like anti-ghosting, in-key rollover, and your standard bottom row. Let's talk about the pros and cons. So the pros. It's nice and small for your desktop. All your buttons are still on the keyboard. You've got optical mechanical switches for that fast and quick response. You've got a detachable power cord. This is great for moving around. And you've also got your PBT grade plastic, which is great for longevity. The cons. So I've picked up two things. Is one, the keyboard doesn't have onboard storage, which means you can't save your profiles onto the actual keyboard. You have to use Synapse. This can be a bit irritating because if I want to go do tournaments or play around at a friend's house, when I take my keyboard there, I have to download Synapse on his laptop or PC, and I have to download my profile from the cloud. And the second thing that I don't like about the keyboard is that the keyboard doesn't come with extra switches or a keycap remover. That is really risky because I could end up breaking a switch or keycap with not having a keycap remover and not being able to replace it. However, you can buy these keycaps from Razer themselves. All in all, this is a great keyboard. It's super fast and reactive. It's well manufactured with its PBT keycaps, which will last me a lot longer than any other keyboard. It is compact and still I don't lose any functions. So I definitely purchase mine. You should get yours today at studycity.co.za in the description below. See you guys in the next one.